Hey guys, if your Wi-Fi speed is running slowly on your iPhone, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can solve this. Now, the very first thing you need to do is just head over to the settings app on your phone, and then we're going to scroll down and click on Wi-Fi, and from here locate your Wi-Fi connection. Once you've located your Wi-Fi, click on the information button next to the one you're connected to. Make sure low data mode is turned off and disabled. And then we're going to scroll down to configure DNS. Click on this, change this from automatic to manual, and then click on add server. Now in this box, you're just going to type in 8.8.8.8, and then we're going to add a second server, which is going to be 8.8.4.4, and then you can click on save in the top right hand side. Once you've done this, head back over to the settings page, and we just want to toggle on airplane mode. Leave this on for 10 seconds and then turn it back off like so. And now what you can do is head over to an internet browser, and we're just going to check our Wi-Fi speed. So you can use this website here, fast.com, and you can check to see if that solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, we're going to head back over to settings, scroll down and click on battery, and then make sure low power mode is turned off and disabled. This is another feature that can interfere with our Wi-Fi connection. Then you're going to head back over to settings and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on apps, and using the search box, type in Safari. Click on the Safari app, and then you need to scroll down again until you see it clear history and website data. Click on this, make sure all history is selected, and then click on clear history. Now once you've done this, once again, you can check to see if your Wi-Fi speed has now improved. If it's still not working, the final thing we can do is head over to the settings app. Scroll down and click on general. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset, and then select reset network settings. You'll need to enter the passcode to your iPhone to confirm. And then once your network settings have been reset, you'll also need to reset your router. So you'll usually find a reset button somewhere on the back of your router. You can just hold this down for 15 seconds, and then we can try reconnecting to our Wi-Fi, and that should have solved any Wi-Fi issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.